back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, we're back with another awesome, and I do mean awesome, digital watch face that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And yes, this watch face is not free, right? So we dug deep. We know you're tired of freebies, so we decided to go ahead and find you a nice paid watch face that's worthy of a download. And this one here isn't going to break the bank. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I spent 79 cents on this one and 83 cents for tax. So this is not a bad buy, especially for a look and a design quite like this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called GWK0070. In the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look, the same design. It's just going to be dimmed down in the black and white theme, so it's not going to look bad at all. But once the watch face is on, what I really like, this watch face got like a 3D look to it, right? It's got the etching with the arrows and also with the battery info. And if you look down at the bottom, you also get it with the steps, the heart rate, your miles walked and ran. I do like that look. It stands out, adds a lot of character to the watch face as well. And you're going to get your digital time big and bold, so you're not going to have to squint to find your time. And you get the date, the day of the week, and the month. I like the way that look. Spread it out like that. Then you get your battery percentage up at the top, and also down at the bottom, miles walked or ran, your calories burned, and also your step info. Now it is interactive, so if you need to go into your battery, just tap on the battery. Also the same thing for your date, for your calendar, set an event, and also you can come down here and you can tap and get your status for your steps and also your heart rate. So I thought this was a good look for a watch face that costs 79 cents in the Gear Manager store. And if I double tap, I can change the color theme. Of course, the video isn't going to do it justice, so check this out for yourself. 83 cents is not bad at all for such a watch face. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it a buy it or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.